This is so pretty down here. The boys come down here for their morning drink of water. Oh, bud. Oh, break that ice. It's like a popsicle. I'm down in the lower pasture. I like to come out here with the boys in the morning. Well, hello, Jack the Ripper. I see you. I see what you do all day. Uh-huh. Here comes Nemo. There's our house. I'm way down here. Ah. Wow, buddy, you're getting a big drink of water. That's a big drink, Bubby. Oh, Albie's getting some too. You getting some water too, Albs? Good boy. Mmm. Fresh water from the mountains. Hi, Nemo. Hi, boys. Jack, you are just full of it today.